Okay, I'm your Western Colorado Conservation Corps Sawtech, and we're going to go over how to start a chainsaw, but this time it's on the chainsaw is a C. This is MS362C, which is Steel's M-tronic, so it's an automatic carburetor that has no manual adjustment. So here at the Corps we have two types of saws. We have the C and then the old style manual. So it has no C behind it. The starting procedure is a little bit different for a C saw. We'll go over that. So it's a cold start. First thing you want to do is check the oil and gas. Alright, it has oil and gas. And you want to check the chain tension, because it's first thing in the morning. Someone else might have tensioned your chain. If the chain is too tight, it'll have a hard time starting. Okay, on the C saws, you want to put it to full choke. This is a C saw. It only has 3 positions. So at the bottom is full choke, run, and off. Off just turns off and it goes back to run. Check the chain. Put it on. Put your chain brake. Apply your chain brake, and it should start within 10 pulls. You're not looking for a burp. It's just going to start. Now once it starts, just let it idle by itself for 60 seconds. The saw will adjust the carburetor by itself. Either count to 60 or have someone with a stopwatch. So you can hear the saw adjusting. Got a little solenoid that moves the air pressure up and down. Okay, after 60 seconds, release the chain brake, hold the throttle. When you pull the throttle, it moves to run by itself.